Yo, what's up producers, it's your boy Mikasa here. Today I'm copying some beats, and in this video I'm about to show you how to make future beats just like Southside. And here we are. Here we are guys in FL Studio. First of all, I'm about to start cooking up with the melodies first. I'm about to use maybe Nexus. And I'm about to start with the pads. I got these presets, I don't know where I found it, but okay, I'm about to use this one, and I'm about to clone, and I'm about to use maybe something. Okay, this maybe like this. Okay, this sounds already fire. Okay, I can make like this. So this is really simple loop. Just I added just a two notes here. For this is really a simple melody. It's working. I mean, it's really fire. I'm about to use EQ2 just to cut some frequencies here. I'm about to use RC20 here also. So the thing I copied, cloned is this. I want to use this one. This one sounds also fire. So let's make a counter melody. Okay, I prefer this way. I'm about to copy all over again here, just to make it 8-bar loop. I'm about to use maybe one more sound, just maybe some strings, just to fill that space. Okay, let's see what we can use, maybe some classical. Okay, this sounds good. Let's see what we can add here. Okay, this is way fire. This is too much heat in this one. So let's start with the drums. I can use this one. Okay, this one's on fire. For the heads, you need to use aggressive, too much heads, because they have to go crazy. I'm about to show you how you can do that. You can just click here, just one go step, 1-2 step, and just play around with it. Make some lower hi-hats, just like this. About to copy everything again here, just like this. With his head, snare, sorry. So for the snares, take maybe 2 or 3 snare and make them go crazy, make some rolls, make some counter snares. Something like this. Okay, I'll take 808 and I'll also take the kick. Okay, this goes hard. I'll just give it a boost a little bit. So I'm going to copy a kick pattern and I'm going to paste it all over the 808 pattern. So for the 808 pattern, I'm just going to cut itself so they won't clash. And maybe, so this is my scale, so I'm about to aim for a D sharp here. I'm about to use heads and layer them with the 808s. Maybe this one. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Not maybe too much. Maybe I'm going to use also percussion. This time I'm going to use triangle and just stack them with the same trick here, with the same sounds here, and it came out really fire. So sometimes when you're making beats, maybe stack the layers and we get a different sound, much better sound that will improve your beats. So that's it. Let's beat by channel everything and make a little structure for this beat. Something really simple. So let's hear it. So that's it. This is really simple way to make a banger. As you can see, it's really simple, nothing too much, just a simple melody. repeating all the time, making some dark sounds. As you can see, I didn't use too much effects in this one, just a couple of EQs of reverb, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.